shifting but effective. Yeah, the high and low profile, the compress, and also the extension. Compress, extend. Okay, it can be used for kicktail to make it easier actually, because your body will follow. Then you can use to speed up, then simple slide, and hand grab. So good low profile. Okay, first of all, go up and down. Use a very slow speed. The slower is better. See, because the deck, will be unstable. So your body will get used to this stability. And it's very good because why? Because if any changes on the deck, your body will learn how to respond to it. Okay, then now slowly throw the body a little bit to where the direction that you want it to go. Okay, now add more speed. Okay, add more speed. Will go whenever you throw your body, when you change from a low profile to a high profile. Up, then now you add more kick to it. Okay. Once you go down, up, follow the kick. Okay. We are adding more snap to it, then you find out that with the high-low profile, because of the change of fabric distributions, we actually have a bigger angles of the turn, even on the flat land. So it will be very useful when you go to a bowl, but you need more stability, so practice in flat land first. You can also do the early grabs using this. Okay, because you're very low to the ground already, so whenever you fall, it is okay because you're already very close to the ground. Okay, always start with a very slow speed so that you have ideas. Sometimes it's the flexibility thing. Okay, you have ideas of how it is, and then when you go fast, see,